Hello and welcome. I'm John with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on injury and illness prevention programs. Remember to sign off on your mobile app or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we would encourage you to do so. Each state has its own OSHA requirement for an IIPP and will be different from state to state. In the state of California, for example, every employer is required by law to provide a safe and healthy workplace for their employees. The California Code of Regulations states that the employer needs to have an effective injury and illness prevention program, or IIPP, in writing. The IIPP should be specific for the type of industry you work in. Regardless of the industry, however, you should get to know your employer's injury and illness prevention program if they have one. This lesson will cover what generally must be included in your injury and illness prevention program. For greater detail and specifics on your IIPP, see your supervisor. One of the first things you may ask is, what should be included in an IIPP? OSHA does give some basic requirements that should be part of any injury and illness prevention program. The first segment states who the responsible person is and has overall responsibility for the program implementation. The next section may include employee compliance with safety and health regulations. Safe practices and health regulations are to be implemented and followed by all employees. This includes using personal protective equipment where needed. Guarded equipment should always have the guards installed and never removed during operation of the equipment. This section reminds you that safety is not only the obligation of the employer, but of the employee as well. Communications of safety and health information. It is your company's responsibility to keep you informed of all safety issues. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.